yesterday's video. We're in Kaikoura. The little montage you guys just seen was us travelling up here yesterday. We stayed here the night last night in a motel, me and Sam. We stopped off yesterday, there weren't too many cars, there was just mainly coons and stuff. Not hating on them, but you know, it's not too exciting compared to a turbo RV or something, but I've seen a couple of Snapchat stories this morning. It looks like there's a few cool cars there, so I don't know, see if I can swindle a drive off someone. Hey man.
That ain't coming out, eh? Try another one. Try another one, eh? Which one looks less rusted?
Corey got his wheel stud sorted, about to go out. I'm going to jump in this S13 here. It's got an RB26 in it. Try not to spill it.
Oh, I should take the lid off first, eh?
Yeah, that would help. Fail.
Yeah, but it's not that bad, really.
Oh, it's not too bad. It's a good pour. It's a good pour.
Oh, maybe I was running out of gas. Maybe that's what it was, because this is...
Yeah, it's pretty empty. Maybe we should get you behind the bar.
Get fucked.
Alright, so we just came back in from another session. Corey broke the car.
Yeah. Well, I didn't really break it. The handbrake mount, the Go-Kart handbrake mount, has bloody broken the weld. We'll pull it apart. I guess we'll use some cable ties and see if we can get it working. Otherwise, we'll just run no handbrake.
Zip tie remedies.
Zip ties are the best. Yeah, so those cable ties, as soon as I pulled it, the cable ties just let go and it just locked the handbrake on. It is, there's two little tacks, eh? One each side, that's all that holds that bracket together.
Yeah, I'll put it back together.
Yeah. So what'd you do?
Well, you know what
You obviously bellied it out.
Yeah, so I tried to come in for the old entry and that little fix up with the cable ties didn't really hold when I gave the handbrake a wee pull.
It's all fixed. I'm about to take this out for a couple laps, see how this goes.
Brake. That better be in your video too. It is? Yeah. You should get it if you go hard right.
come back in from my driving this. My driving is piss poor. I haven't driven a car in months, but it was an absolute blast. This thing is perfect for this track. Angus went out and did a couple laps, but you'd think there might be an issue.
There's a little bit of play in the front wheel bearings, but we know about that. And bottom ball joints. Bottom ball joints. And knuckle ball joints. Steering arms. Everything. Loosey-goosey. Missile.
Great Kaikoura track.
Exactly. It's falling apart, but still together.
What are you doing coming in, mate? You got heaps of tread on that tyre.
Yeah, heaps.
Don't break it again.
Try not to, bro.
Tyres down, not enough grip.
No grip.
No grip. What were they at?
50.
What are you putting them down to?
30.
So I was going my second session. I was talking to the camera.
Oh yeah, no. I know what you mean about kicking the car, but
Yeah.
I always seem to come off with it. gas, eh?
Well, my battery died, I went to go and change it, I come back and it's running again. How'd you fix it?
No idea. Know nothing about Jay-Z at all. I feel like it's not getting fuel. The injectors might be clogged. When's the last time we changed the filter? Do you know what I mean? But like, you leave it for a bit and then you start it. Now you won't have a flat battery. Chuck it in gear. Angus. Oh, do you want to chuck it in gear, bro? We need to find that out. Cool. Hit the other one. Oh, hit both actually. Yep. So we've got good fuel there. So now we'll check the filter.
Non-lighter match.
Gosh, nothing.
Alright, pull that kind of apart, see what's in it. Ooh.
Hold that.
Oh, pretty dirty.
She's pretty dirty, bro.
Well, throw that in a bin. Screw it back together
Put the housing back together.
and go for
You got
it.
brake clean? No brake clean.
Well, you could just put it back together and send it.
Yeah, but then no filter. Shit on the injectors.
Yeah, it's got enough shit to block the filter and block the injectors.
Fuel filters. What's that for? It's restriction of fuel.
Let's be very clear. His call, not mine. Very clear.
Restriction of fuel.
Very, very clear. It's all Angus's idea.
We can always throw the injectors away and put new ones in it.
Yeah.
Very true.
I like your attitude. Just get through the rest of the day.
To be honest, who knows when that filter was last cleaned? We never swapped it out when we took my motor out.
No.
Because we were like, oh yeah, we'll do that later, and
We can always get injectors cleaned out too.
yeah.
Yeah, it is. We need to keep running.
That is so much spicier, right? Fuck, that is good.
That fuel filter must have been clogged as fuck for a while.
Yeah. Oh, it must have been shagged for a while. No, start it again.
Hopefully this doesn't end up like the
But let's rewire it, G.
Well, that's what the Superior needed as well.
Try like pulling the loom back more instead of just wiggling it. Try start it again. If I pull it back and start. That's weird.
So fucked up.
Yeah, give it another go.
But now the filter's out, the injectors have clogged up.
Well, that was what I said to Angus. It's a high possibility.
It is a high possibility.
Very high possibility. Which is why I didn't really want to do it.
Now we'll get a couple laps in.
True.
And an entry.
I mean, first issue out of a whole year of driving is probably not bad.
And it seems like it did pretty well all day up until this point. And even now it's
We'll try
not
and
really
go
a
back to
huge
the
deal.
Trailer and just chuck it on the trailer, I think. Call it a day. What do you guys reckon?
Just leave them straight and
Yeah.
Should just smash everything in it and then just roll it over and leave it here. See if we can do some forward driving, you know? Seems to be the go.
A few days later now, and we're back home. We came home the next day after that track day, and it was pretty cool. Had a blast that weekend. It was good to get away for Easter weekend and yeah, get some seat time. Guys, sim driving. I tell you, I was on a simulator the entire week leading up to Kaikoura. Every night I was helping Matt on either his 34 or Jackson's S14. And yeah, every night I would jump on the sim and I'd jam that for 3-4 hours a night. Honestly, I jumped in Angus's car on Saturday and I did spin a bit, but I felt so comfortable right away. I was be able to push the car way further than I feel like I've pushed any other car. And I was getting to the point where I was spinning just because I was pushing the car so hard. And it was an awesome feeling. I've never been so comfortable behind the wheel of a car before. So I can't wait to get some more sim driving in and yeah, hopefully a bit more seat time. Some huge news coming out on Sunday regarding a new car. So stay tuned for that. That's all I'm going to say for now. But cheers for watching, guys. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.